In a shocking decision, the Supreme Court ruled that presidents have significant immunity against criminal prosecution for actions taken while in office. If Donald Trump is elected president again, this decision is like handing a loaded gun to a mentally unstable person. Trump has shown again and again that he believes the law doesn't apply to him. If he's given the reins of the executive branch, what or who will stop him from exacting revenge on his opponents and undermining the democratic institutions of the country? The sad irony is that this court, which prides itself as originalist, completely ignored statements in the Federalist Papers which address this very issue. Here, Federalist Paper number 69. The President of the United States would afterwards be liable for prosecution and punishment in the ordinary course of the law. Also contrast the court decision with the biblical limits on the kings of Israel. When he takes the throne of his kingdom, he is to write for himself on a scroll a copy of this law. It is to be with him, and he is to read it all the days of his life, so that he may learn to revere the Lord his God and follow carefully all the words of this law and these decrees. As I shared in an earlier vlog, the Bible warns about the man of lawlessness. It's inconceivable to me how evangelical leaders can support someone who is a congenital liar, accosted women, sought to block the transition of power in the last election, incited a riot at the Capitol, been convicted of election fraud, paid off a prostitute, and more. And now the country is about ready to give him a blank check. Wow! To learn more about politics and the gospel, please consider my new book on Amazon, How Politics Has Distorted the Gospel.